Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So before we get started, today's video is brought to you by Godox South Africa. Now if you are based in SA and looking at getting new lighting, audio and accessories, you could use my discount code to get 5% of your next purchase. So if you're a video creator or content creator that's looking for an affordable option to leveling up your in-studio lighting, then Godox have just the lights for you, and that is the Litemons LP series of lights, being the LP400 and the LP600, and if you want bigger and brighter, then the LP1200. Now they all come in either bi-color or RGB and in various kits as well, so no matter what your budget, there's a kit for you. So let's take a look at these and see what we have here. The LP400 and 600 look identical, with just a slight difference in size, so for this video I'll just be looking at the LP600. All the LP series lights including the kits come in these high quality carry cases. And here is the stunning LP600 in the modern and clean white look. We also get a built-in manually operated yoke mount and detachable barn doors. The barn doors slide into place and are secured with two push-to-lock clips. These ensure that no matter how you position the lights, they will not come off. The front panel is diffused so that it always gives you a soft and flattering light. This LED panel can be powered with AC or 2 NPF type batteries, which makes this the perfect portable video light. We get two power options on the power switch. Press to the left to activate the battery mode, provided you have batteries connected, and then to the right to power via AC. You require 2 NPF batteries to power the light. It will not work with just one. Now the LP400 is exactly the same, whereas the LP1200 requires a bigger and more powerful V-mount battery. Now in CCT mode, we can go from 1800 to 10,000 Kelvin in the RGB version, whereas in the bicolor version we can go from 2800 to 6500 Kelvin. In the RGB version, we get CCT mode, HSI, RGB, and a color filter gel mode, and we also get the 14 pre-programmed FX modes. Now on the bicolor version, we just get CCT and FX modes. The pre-programmed effects allow you to get really creative, be it in studio or on location. The Godox Light app is available for both Apple and Android. It allows you to connect a single light or multiple lights to either the same project or to different projects so that you can control them individually or all together. Bandos are used to control the spread of light onto your subject and background. Now these slide into place and are secured with two press to lock buttons. So just a quick lighting test, I do have the LP600 set up as my main key light on this end and the LP400 bicolor set up as my secondary light on this end. Now they both are connected to my phone via the Godox Light app, so let's just see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the LP600 at 13% and it's at 5000 Kelvin. 25, 45, 60, 80, and all the way up to 100. Now I do feel it is a bit too bright at 100%, so let's just drop that down to about 60. Okay, that looks a lot better. Now let's just see what light 2 looks like. This is it at 15, 35, 50, 70, 85, and all the way up to 100%. Now with the LP400 bicolor, you can go down to 2800 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin, whereas on the LP600 you can go down to 1800 Kelvin all the way up to 10,000 Kelvin. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.